It's 11 a.m. I'm getting out, heading to Marlon's place because I'm just gonna get some stuffs there. It's really dark right now. Let's test this camera and see if it's perfect. Yeah, let's go. So I'm still searching for the best camera for vlogging, like carrying it everywhere, bringing the camera everywhere, and having the best setup. The last time I had the best setup, I reckon, was I think when I was using the A6500, and I was having a 10-18 lens, and I was traveling in Queensland. It was really fun. It was light. It was good. I enjoyed it, and I could even see myself. There was no flip screen, so I'm just guessing if I'm in the frame or not. But I was traveling, so that's just fine. Right now I'm confused because there are lots of options, and you know, when you have a lot of gears you get confused. I tried out the A6400 and it was good, but I needed to have the A9, so I had to sell it, and yeah, I got the A9 of course. But the best setup was supposed to be the A7 III because you can use it for photo and video. I have this A7 III, and yeah, I got the camera, I got the, what you call this, the 1735 from Tamron, so it's the best setup. What I hate with the Sony is that the form factor, it's really weird. I can't wrap my head around it, and how it should, how it's, let me see, how it's weird, how it's, I'm not comfortable with it. I had the 1DX and I like the weight was really perfect. I really liked using it. But with this A7 III, like, the form is different. I don't understand. The balance is weird. Yeah. So I got the 8-sin camera cage before, and I didn't like it because it didn't have an Arca mount, and I like to have an Arca for my gears because I want to put it on my Joby GorillaPod. But right now, I tried it again. I tried holding it. I gave mine to Alden. He bought it away from me. He bought it from me. Now I'm trying the A8 Sin again. I purchased another one, and yeah, it's good. It's great. I like the form factor. I like holding it in my hand. I'm gonna do a review soon about this one. And I'm using the A7 III now. Yeah. I recently got the A6600. I was planning to get the 10-18 again. That way I can have the A65 setup. It's smaller and it has a flip screen, so it's really awesome. The problem is, like, I'm still looking for the best one. Like, I can shoot photos and I can do videos. So the A7 III is supposed to be the best one because I can do full frame photos, and yeah, I can have the best setup. It's kind of big and I want small, but I don't know, I'm still confused. I'm working on the A7 III and the A6600, but that is a lot of jargon right now. I'm just gonna drive it. I'm gonna head to Marlon's place. Sorry about the blabbers. I love blabbering. Quick drive to Marlon's place. Now I'm heading back home. Yeah, still testing the low light of this freaking camera that I have right now. Hope it's good. Yeah, so it was just a quick drive in and out, and then I'm gonna go back home and go back editing. Still have a lot of things to do, and I need to do it now. Yeah, tomorrow is still a holiday, but I need to get things done. I definitely need to get things done. Yeah.
Problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like.
Here's my ride. Thank goodness. Oh. So the train's fucked up. Good thing my ride's here. Hello. Hi. That smell of sun on hot weathers. Yeah.